Hello everyone and welcome. I am Troglodyte from Simple Trade. Today I want to take you through a review of the stock traded under the ticker APTY. The stock increased its value by 1700%. Let me show you why. If we were to look at OTC markets during May, we would see a nice share structure, which means that the stock could easily run. The company is focused on creating financial platforms and innovative stock research tools. At the time, the company Twitter was very active, though not full of useful information. And we can see that after the 26th of April, there was a silence of a little bit longer than a month. Then, on the 1st of June, the company released an important tweet. We have been working hard on meeting OTC requirements for upgrading our company to full OTC pink reporting. We are expecting our profile to be updated anytime in the coming weeks. Ignore the rumors, as there is no imminent reverse split nor is one planned. We have ramped up meetings with professionals for branding and marketing to support our platform initiatives. So pin current in the works, there will be no reverse split and they are making progress with their platform initiatives. Finally, on the 3rd of June, the company tweeted about their cryptocurrency named stablecoin. We developed the stablecoin named Spera, which is backed by a US dollar, and we intend to introduce partial backing with gold. Focus by APTY is to list Spera on external exchanges. We are planning for traders to be able to buy and sell Spera in the coming months. These are huge news. Some more tweets about stablecoin followed after that, all empowering the impact of the initial one. We can see that the rise started right after the tweet about the cryptocurrency of the company and continued until the stock reached a price of a little more than 0.25. Then, on the 8th of July, the company tweeted the following. We can confirm that Phase 2, approval by OTC markets, is secured. We are studying the requirements and thereafter slowly begin posting each year over the next month, well before September deadline. The market didn't like the use of the word slowly and also the estimation that filings will take a month. And so the stock crashed down more than 50%. On the 30th of July, the company announced that it has received access to upload filing and has engaged an external company to help it become compliant with OTC market. Recently, on the 6th of August, the company has filed its initial annual report. Though the report isn't needed for compliance as it is quite old, the company insisted on posting it in order to provide full transparency to shareholders. Thus the last rise. It will be interesting to see the development in the stock. It has its own cryptocurrency and is going current. I hope you have enjoyed the video. You are invited to subscribe to this channel and join our Discord community of Simple Trade, so we can continue providing you with valuable content.